Even today, a large number of people are looking for the best exchange to perform their trading. And today I want to have a sort of a general versus debate between Binance and MEXC, which are two of very interesting exchanges to trade on today due to the different benefits they offer their users, starting with the fact that Binance allows minimum trades of $5, while in MEXC you can make trades with only $1, but Binance you can make trades with only $1. So clearly the point goes to MX in this case. Now, there is also something called commissions when trading, not only spot trading, but also P2P trading, but futures trading. And from my point of view, it is quite important because imagine that you are trading and suddenly you realize that you are being less profitable than you really should be. Well, those are the famous commissions that these exchanges charge you for trading. And here again, the whole point would be taken by MEXC, and it's not because this is a paid promotion for them. Just look at the fees they charge as a maker, the guys at Binance, and the fees they charge as a taker, new local. While if we look at the mega fees, in the case of MEXC, the difference in numbers is immediately noticeable more. We also have to keep in mind the trading pairs that exist on each of the exchanges, and in this case, the point again goes to MEXC, since MEXC has many more trading pairs than Binance. If we notice, Binance currently has 638 trading pairs, while the guys at MEXC have about 796 trading pairs. One small thing that has really bothered me when trading here on Binance is that we are talking about orders that have not been executed with good precision. You understand? It turns out that I wanted to open orders with a specific amount of money, and not all of that money is put in, but 95% of that is opened, and the other 5% is left out. Perhaps some may counteract you by saying that you can use the conversion tab here on Binance, And well, yes, but the thing is that this tab charges many more commissions than doing regular trading. So to a semi-reality, here again, the point goes to me. It's not big, but because I am putting it that way, simply because they do open the position for you 100% with the money that you are putting in. Given everything said up above, it seems to me that MEXC is a much more interesting exchange than Binance for spot trading. However, I wouldn't take METs and replace Binance 100% either, since if we go to the P2P trading section on both exchanges, we will realize that we have more traders on Binance, and not only that, but we have much more competitive prices than on the MEXC exchanges, something that is quite curious because it is supposed to be the other way around, but no, believe me that there are better conversion prices here on Binance in P2P trading. So I would mainly use the Binance P2P PD to withdraw my cryptocurrencies to my bank accounts with a fairly low commission, and I would use MEXC to both spot and future. I'm a spot and futures trading, but it would be useless for me to have the intention of doing spot trading or futures trading if they are going to be charging me annoying commissions on Binance and MEXC. To solve this problem, there are exclusive links on the channel.